Hi, my name is Jennifer Moore, and today I'm here not to convince you about your guys' product's quality and durability and its uniqueness, because I'm sure you guys are already well aware of the product's quality, durability, and uniqueness. I'm actually trying to get this out to the consumer, and by doing so, I have put together a pitch for you guys. So, as a consumer in the United States, we look for the most bang for our buck. Now, I don't know about your personal consumption of paper towel usage, but I know in my home, we go through quite a bit. The product that I would like to pitch to you guys to use your material to make is a reusable, ethical, durable, customizable, affordable, and attractive design to replace paper towels. It is a very wasteful market, and we as consumers, we like to think that we're doing the best for the world, and we're not. And as a company, you guys can see the ethical obligation to come up with a more better alternative. And what better way to do that than to take this idea and run with it? So in America, we spend $5.7 billion in 2017 on disposable paper towels. So basically, we took our paychecks and literally threw them in the garbage. We are the largest consumer of paper towels globally. When you look at the other countries that use paper towels, we have them beat by more than $4 billion in use every year. It's amazing. Honestly, I didn't realize how bad we were as a country until I started digging into this product, and it's actually made me think about my own personal consumption. So, on that note, and I know it might seem kind of crazy, but in a span of 5 years, we could save each consumer approximately $1,000 just by marketing this product. So a little bit of rundown on demographics in the household, on how they spend their dollars and how much they make. I thought that this was pretty interesting information here, but I would like to break it down that I think that this product can be aimed at women between the ages of 25 and 35 and men between the ages of 30 and 40. And the reason why both of these are included is because with the option of customizing this product, it is appealing to both men and women. There's custom style options. They can choose their colors. They can choose their prints. They can choose what kind of base they want to put their product in to kind of mesh well with their, layout in their kitchen or their bathroom or wherever they decide to use this product. So let's say they have like a light quartz countertop. They can use like a cherry dark wood base. Let's say they have gray tile. Maybe they want something a little bit more colorful for their print. They can do that. Or they're a bachelor and they want to go ahead and order something that has a football team's logo on it. They can do that. The fact that these products are long lasting adds value because they're not just buying something to have to replace it again shortly thereafter. And the idea of it being earth friendly, machine washable, and washing up and being like new, It's great. And the fact that your guys' material has the drying capabilities that it does ensures that it won't get that musty, mildewy smell to it. Nobody wants to use a mildewy, smelly towel. I know that that was one of the reasons why I've used paper towels for so long, is because washcloths get that odor, even if you're washing them. But this product is patented. There's nothing like it. Consumers are going to realize this, and they're going to eat it up. This is something that has never been done before. And I can tell you why this will appeal to the younger age bracket here, is the fact that millennials, they place a high level of importance on individualism, right? They want to be involved in the creating and co-creating of things. They want to have that little bit of control. This right here, this product, being able to pick and choose and build their collection up, this is going to make it theirs and their very own. So that's another selling point for that particular age bracket. When you look at the options, they're endless. Now, as far as their distribution channels, you get to do a lot by utilizing social media. Now, utilizing the social media networks and then the largest e-commerce website out there, consumers' knowledge of the product is inevitable. Now, when we're talking about return on investment, the knowledge increasing as quickly as it will by using these distribution channels will increase the profitability of the product inevitably. I also thought this was a little catchy. The unpaper towel. Clean your mess without creating more mess. This is the slogan that I think will sell. I think that a simple, clean advertisement using just these simple words will bring it right home, hitting that home run. Thank you.